Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn homeopathy online. Embarking on this journey is now easier than ever, thanks to a wealth of digital resources. You can gain a deep understanding of its core principles and practical applications from the comfort of your home. This guide will help you navigate the best ways to start your educational path in homeopathy, offering clear steps and valuable insights. Choosing the right online course is a crucial step for effective learning. Prioritize programs that are accredited by reputable homeopathic bodies, ensuring a high standard of education. Carefully examine the curriculum to confirm it covers essential topics like materia medica and repertory. Also, investigate instructor credentials and read student reviews to gauge the course's overall quality and support system. Online learning allows you to delve into core homeopathic concepts at your own pace. You will explore the law of similars, where like cures like, and understand the principle of the minimum dose. Many courses offer interactive modules to study various remedies and their unique indications. Practical exercises, such as case analysis, help solidify your understanding and prepare you for real-world application. Your homeopathic education doesn't end with a single course. It is a continuous journey. Actively participate in online communities and forums to connect with fellow students and practitioners. Attending virtual workshops and webinars can further deepen your knowledge on specialized topics. For those seeking professional development, consider pursuing advanced certifications or practitioner programs to expand your expertise and career opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.